If you searched how to buy shares of Lifevantage Corp, this short guide will walk you through the process. Lifevantage develops nutritional supplements and personal care products and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LFVN, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you'll need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as the example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LFVN to find Lifevantage Corp. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker LFVN to confirm it's the right stock. To invest, tap Buy, choose the amount or number of shares, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit until trading opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow along.